My little Z learners, I hope you all are staying safe, healthy and happy in your homes. So I welcome you all to your Junior KG online classes, Culmination 2, Week 1 and Day 1. So let's see what all are the writing concepts and topics we are having for today. My dear students, we ended our Culmination 2 after learning the small letter F. I hope you all remember the small letter F. Okay, so now we will start our Culmination 2 by learning small letter G. What comes after F is G. This is small g. G for grapes. G for grapes. Okay, G for grapes. You need to learn at least 2 objects that start with letter G. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to write and how to trace a small letter G. First of all, for writing, we need to learn that how should we trace the small letter G. So come on, let's start how to trace it. So this is our sheet for the day. Now we will start tracing it. Okay, first of all, we will start tracing small letter G from here. Move your pencil carefully on the made marker or pen, whatever your parents are using for you. Okay, that's make a proper G. G for grapes. While writing, you need to repeat it many times. That G for grapes, G for grapes, G for grapes. Now we will trace it on the dots. What we will do? We will be tracing it on the dots now. G for grapes, G for grapes, G for grapes. Can you see? I have traced it on the dots. I hope you all can see that. Make a perfect small G. Okay, now let's move to the second question. My dear students, the second question for the day says match small to the capital. What we need to do? We need to match the small letter to the corresponding capital letter. Okay, I hope all of you have learned the small letters from A to F till now. So we will do the same revision. Okay, so let's see where we need to match which letter. So first is, what is this? This is small f. Now we need to match to the capital F. Can you see capital F here? I can see capital F here. So what we need to do is, we need to match both the letters. So all you need to do is to make a straight line from small f to capital F. Okay, can you see I have made this? In the same way you need to do the rest one. Now moving to the next questions. Questions are, we have already done that in the Culmination 1. We will only revise today. So the next question is, what comes before? We need to write the number in the blank which comes before the written number. So what comes before 19 is 18. What comes before 5 is 4. Okay, in this way you need to do the rest ones, because I can assure my kiddies are able to do it now as we have learned them till date. So what comes after? The next question says what comes after. Now we need to write the number what comes after the written number. So what comes after 18? 19. What comes after 18 is 19. What comes after 2 is 3. In the same way complete all the rest ones. Now moving to the last concept for. So the last concept is our Hindi revision. From in the Culmination 1 we learned Chota A and Bada A. Today we will be revising the Choti E. What comes after Bada A is Choti E. This is E. This is, you can say Choti E or E. Okay, so we need to trace it first and then we need to write it. Okay, so let's start tracing the Choti E. Choti E say Imli. Choti E say, let's write it once again. Choti E say Imli. Okay, in this way you need to do and you need to practice a whole page of it. Students, this was all for your writing part today. I hope all of you will complete this writing part and you will study it hard. Okay, so thank you. Stay home and stay safe.